Tony says regarding using an expired domain in building an auto blogging website, it's a great idea. Just one question: do you restore the expired domain from the Wayback Machine first, or just build the website straight on the expired domain? I'm just building them straight on the expired domain. What I have found is that if you are going to put similar content in the same kind of topical category or related, very closely related topical category, that it doesn't matter. There's no problem with getting the domain indexed right away. Like, not had any issues with that at all. Where I found it to be troublesome, it was in the past with getting domains and then changing the topical categories like completely. And in, sometimes those are much more difficult to get indexed, or and they don't perform as well. But if you're replacing or putting new content onto the domain that is similar to or related to the former content, the former topical category, then it tends to have no issues whatsoever. So that's what I've been doing. And part of that is because if you've ever tried to restore an old site, it's kind of a pain in the ass, and it's almost more work to try to restore an old site than it is to just build a new one. And so for a while, I did both. We tested with both, and I didn't see any benefit to doing one over the other. In fact, I saw a bit of a drawback from, well, excuse me, I did see benefit from doing just new content because it was less work, if that makes sense. So we could be more efficient. So, but I would encourage you to do a little bit of testing on your own too, because I did testing for a couple of months on that, and I found really no benefit of restoring the old content if I was able to get the new content indexed as quickly as I can. Right, there was really no drawback or no reason to continue trying to go through the hassle of rebuilding expired content, like old content, which was kind of a pain in the ass. So